Yo, what up? This is my dad. He
Yes.
came to visit from
New York, Queens.
Queens. So, what we're talking about currently is me editing the videos and delivering it like a delivery sort of system. He's not really tech savvy, so I don't know if he's paying attention to what I'm saying. Anyway, we're talking about my baby brothers, Karsheem, Kensley, and Kalen. All right, you guys better start working out.
Those guys don't like to work out. They just start shooting.
Yeah,
that's it.
yo, start working out.
Just straight
All right,
to
I'm
nothing.
putting a ton of content out for you guys, so just start working out right now. Especially you, Kensley. No, Kalen. Kalen's the youngest one.
Yeah.
I know you like to hoop.
That's all.
So,
No stretch.
yo, get your weight up in the gym, all right? And anything you want to say to my peeps that watch, Pops?
Oh, you're a good trainer. Listen to the coach.
That's right. Oh, I want to use this, exactly. This is great.
Yeah, listen to the coach.
Listen
He's a
to the
good
coach.
trainer.
We're about to get a session in with my dad.
If I was in Boston, you'll be my trainer. Because I want to be in shape.
That's right. And we got a little man in the background. I don't know if you can see. But anyways, let me get back to work and continue this little father-son
Son
bonding conversation.
That's right.
Peace.